Part 2 of making these shadow box rolled paper flower frames. I bought them 2 for 1 at Michael's and I thought, hey, let's get crafty. Okay, so I just showed you how to make this flower. Check out part 1 if you want to know how to do this. And so the next part after this is to glue it down. I like to use hot glue. I just add a little bit of hot glue on the bottom here. You fold this little cap or hat over, and then I like to hold it for a few seconds until it's glued on there. Then I repeat the step for all of them. Let me show you how much. So that's what I have going on right now. It's gonna take me a while. It is pretty easy to do, but it is super time consuming. I will also mention that these are a little bit smaller, and that's because I am using a 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, and I'm doing 3 to a page, so they're going to be pretty small. If you're using 12 by 12 and 1 to a page, they're going to be larger. You can also tighten them larger by spinning them a little tighter if they unravel a bit, and then that would make a smaller one, and the opposite, obviously, if you make it more loose. And there are a bunch of different types of flowers. So some of them are more like this, like spirally and spiky. I'm cutting up some sunflowers. So there are a lot of options, which is why I like Creative Fabrica, because I was able to download a whole bunch in a bundle for free with my membership. So anyways, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do all of them, like I just showed you, hot glue them, and then we're going to be ready to add it to the frame. The next step is adding it to the frame. I just hot glue it directly to the back, the inside of the shadow box. And then for the actual glass, we're going to add a decal on top of it. So if you have any ideas for the decal, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'm going to be back with what I decided to come up with later tonight. But I am going live on Facebook. Oh, what am I saying? On YouTube tonight. I'm going live at 7:30 PST. So if you wanted to join us today as I actually make this and see what it looks like in the end, then go ahead and join our live. Otherwise, I'll post tomorrow what it looks like. And I'm so excited to make this. I'm actually making this one for Mother's Day, and then the other one I'm making as a surprise for my husband. So I'm really excited to get started. My YouTube channel is linked in my TikTok bio. So be sure to join us tonight if you're interested in how this all goes. But hopefully I will see you there, and have a wonderful weekend. Follow for more Cricut tips and tricks.